Hello students, example 1.11. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 be two sets. Let f such that A tells to B be a function given by f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. Represent the function by arrow diagram in a table form as a set of ordered pairs in a graphical form. In our introduction class, I have explained all these types. These are all a representation of a function, right? So this is very important 5-mark question. Very simple, just listen. So we have to represent this function in this all 4 formats, right? So let's write the given data. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. But we don't know the relationship between these elements. We can't able to draw the arrow diagram only using these elements. We can't able to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and we can't able to connect random elements. So for that only we have this f of x. So using this f of x we have to find the relationship between these two sets, right? So for that this procedure is very regular procedure. We have been doing this for all the problems, right? Okay, the same way. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all x elements. F of x is nothing but y elements. So therefore, always the first set belongs to x elements and second set belongs to y elements, right? So the same way, I am going to substitute all the elements of A, that is x values, in this f of x and going to find the corresponding y values, right? Okay, let's substitute one by one. What is the first one? 1. So when x is equal to 1, which means I have to substitute 1 in the place of x in this equation. So in the place of x, substitute 1. So f of 1 is equal to 3. In the place of x, substitute 1. So into 1 minus 1. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So when x is equal to 1, f of 1, that is y is equal to 2. Right? Therefore 1 and 2 are related. So 1 and 2 are relations. Right? Next one. When x is equal to 2, which means I have to substitute 2 in the place of x in this equation. So therefore f of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1. 3 into 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Therefore when x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 5. The same way, substitute 3 in the place of x. Therefore 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 1, 8. The same way, substitute 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 1, 11. So we found out all the corresponding y values. So let's find out all these things. First one is by arrow diagram. So what is called arrow diagram? First of all, we have to draw two circles A and B. In between we have to write this f, that is function. So write all the elements of A. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements of B. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So now we are going to connect. How? For that only we found out this relations. So when x is equal to 1, what is y? 2. Therefore 1 and 2 are relations. So we have to connect 1 and 2. The same way, when x is equal to 2, y is 5. So 2 and 5 are connected. So connect 2 and 5. The same way, for 3 it is 8. So 3 and 8 are connected. For 4 it is 11. Therefore 4 and 11 are connected here. This 14 don't have any pre-image in A. Right? So that's all. So this is the arrow diagram. And the most important thing is this, a definition. So we have to write the statement. This is very important. Let us represent the function f such that A tells to B by an arrow diagram. So after that only you have to draw this diagram. Right? So the first subdivision is over. And the next one is in a table form. Table form is very simple. The same way we have to write the statement. The given function f can be represented in a tabular form as given below. So that is very simple. We have two values, right? X and y. So x, so y is always called as f of x. So f of x. We have to write only the connected values. So 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. 4 and 11. 4 and 11. No need to write this 14 here. Right? So in the table, only write the ordered pairs. Only write the connected values. Right? Okay. So what are the x elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the y elements? 2, 5, 8, 11. 2, 5, 8, 11. 14 is not connected, so no need to write 14 here. What is the next one? Ordered pairs, and the last one is graphical form. So, ordered pair. Ordered pair is very simple. The same way we have to write the statement, the function f can be represented as a set of ordered pairs, as f is equal to, what are the ordered pairs here? 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. So we need to write the ordered pairs 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. And the last one is graph. That is also very simple. In the adjacent xy plane, the points, these points 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11 are plotted. So we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. Plot the points 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. So that's all about graphical form. So these are the 4 representation of function. Very, very important 5-mark question. That's all about this problem. Thank you.